Formula One isn't just a sport, it's an elite testing ground for the technology of tomorrow. And while most of us will never sit behind the wheel of a real F1 car, the innovations developed on those high-speed circuits have quietly made their way into our everyday vehicles. From advanced aerodynamics to hybrid systems, what once lived on the racetrack is now right under your nose. Today, we're diving into 7 Formula One breakthroughs that you're probably using without even realizing it. In this video, we're spotlighting 7 Formula One innovations that aren't just reserved for supercars or exotics. They're in regular sedans, crossovers, and even hybrids you see on the street. From paddle shifters to regenerative braking, these technologies evolved through years of racing dominance, data, and engineering. Let's explore how F1 has quietly shaped the very cars we drive every day. Number 1. Paddle shifters. Back in the early 1990s, Formula One introduced paddle shifters to allow drivers to change gears faster and with less distraction. The concept was revolutionary. No more traditional gear levers or clutch pedals, just fingertip shifts while maintaining full control of the wheel. Today, that same concept is in thousands of road cars, from budget sedans to luxury SUVs. You'll find paddle shifters on cars like the Honda Civic Sport, Mazda 6, and even the Toyota Corolla in its sportier trims. They give drivers a sense of manual control without the hassle of a full stick shift. More importantly, they make shifting faster, safer, and more engaging. Even CVT-equipped vehicles often simulate gear shifts using paddle controls, thanks to F1's influence on driving dynamics. Number 2. Carbon fiber reinforcements. Lightweight and incredibly strong, carbon fiber was once a material exclusive to F1 monocoques and aerospace, but racing engineers quickly realized its broader potential, especially for reducing vehicle weight while maintaining structural rigidity. In 2025, you'll find carbon fiber in hoods, roof panels, interior dashboards, and door sills of consumer cars. Vehicles like the Ford Mustang Dark Horse, BMW M Series, and Corvette Z06 use carbon fiber not just for performance, but to boost efficiency. Even compact cars and EVs are starting to adopt carbon fiber trim elements because it adds stiffness, lowers weight, and makes vehicles more fuel efficient, all learned from F1's relentless pursuit of weight reduction. Number 3. Active aerodynamics. F1 cars adjust their aerodynamic profiles in real time to optimize grip, reduce drag, or increase speed depending on track conditions. This tech, known as active aero, has now reached the street. Today, cars like the Porsche 911 Turbo, Lamborghini Huracan, and even some high-performance EVs use active spoilers or air flaps that deploy automatically based on speed, braking, or drive mode. For example, the Tesla Model S Plaid uses a hidden spoiler that raises at highway speeds to improve downforce. While these features may not be visible at a glance, they're enhancing stability, cornering, and fuel economy in ways inspired directly by motorsport. Number 4. Hybrid power units and regenerative braking. Formula One's introduction of hybrid power units in 2014 was more than a rule change, it was a technological leap. These systems captured wasted energy during braking and reused it for acceleration, a principle now found in nearly every hybrid or EV on the road. Whether you're driving a Toyota Prius, a Ford Escape hybrid, or a Honda CR-V hybrid, you're benefiting from F1's kinetic energy recovery system legacy. Regenerative braking allows the vehicle to charge the battery while slowing down, increasing overall efficiency. This tech doesn't just save fuel, it also enhances acceleration, as stored energy gets redirected to the drivetrain. You're driving smarter and greener thanks to a solution born from pit lane strategy sessions. Number 5. Drive-by-wire systems. In F1, milliseconds matter, so engineers replaced traditional mechanical controls with electronic systems. Throttle-by-wire, steer-by-wire, and brake-by-wire systems now dominate the racing world. These reduce weight, increase responsiveness, and allow for more advanced computer tuning. On the road, modern vehicles like the Infiniti Q50, some Lexus models, and Mercedes-Benz EVs have embraced this shift. You might not feel it, but your foot pedal, steering input, or brake response may be interpreted and optimized digitally. This allows for enhanced safety features like lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking, all adjusted in real time by systems once designed for pole position. Number 6. Multi-mode driving profiles. Formula One drivers can change engine maps, suspension stiffness, and fuel usage with steering wheel toggles. Now, you can do the same, sort of. Modern cars come with selectable drive modes that alter throttle response, shift timing, steering weight, and suspension damping. In a Ford Explorer ST, you can choose between normal, sport, eco, and snow modes. A BMW 3 Series lets you switch from comfort to sport, plus with a tap. These modes mimic the adaptability of race cars, letting you tailor the driving experience to match road conditions or personal style, a true trickle-down feature from F1. Number 7. Advanced telemetry and vehicle monitoring. F1 engineers obsess over data, lap times, tire wear, engine temps, fuel consumption, all tracked in real time. This obsession has led to a wave of telemetry-style tools in everyday cars. From Tesla's energy consumption graphs to Ford's real-time power distribution display, drivers now have access to live vehicle performance data. Even budget cars like the Hyundai Elantra and Nissan Altima include digital driver displays showing eco-performance, speed warnings, and tire pressure. This tech improves driving habits, extends vehicle life, and brings a new level of transparency. All born from racetrack telemetry screens once seen only in pit garages. So the next time you hit the road, remember this: you're not just driving a car, you're piloting a machine built with Formula One DNA. Whether it's your paddle shifters, your hybrid system, or the way your spoiler adjusts without you noticing, all of it was born on a racetrack. These innovations prove that motorsport is far more than speed and glamour. It's the R&D lab for tomorrow's transportation. Which feature surprised you most? Tell us in the comments. We'll see you in the next video.